Tired of complicated video editing? Microsoft Clipchamp makes it easy with AI-powered tools that help beginners create professional quality videos in minutes. No experience needed. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll walk you through every key feature, from automatic video creation to AI voiceovers and smart editing. Let's dive in. Start by logging into Clipchamp and clicking Create a Video with AI on the homepage. Give your project a name, then upload your photos and videos. Either drag and drop them or click Add Media. Once your files are ready, hit Get Started. Now choose a video style. Browse options and give a thumbs up or down to guide the AI, or click Choose for Me to let Clipchamp decide. Next, pick your video duration and aspect ratio, like landscape for YouTube or portrait for TikTok. Then click Next. The AI will suggest music and fonts. Preview them and make changes if needed. Finally, watch your AI-generated video. Want adjustments? Click Create New Version for fresh edits. When you're happy, export your video or refine it further in the timeline. Need narration? Clipchamp's text-to-speech tool has over 400 natural voices in 80+ languages. Go to the Record and Create tab, select Text-to-Speech, and pick your language. Browse voices, feminine, masculine, or neutral. Then tweak pitch and speed under Advanced. Type or paste your script, preview it, and click Save to Media. Drag the voiceover onto your timeline. For dramatic pauses, add ellipses, or emphasize words with exclamation marks. It's that easy. Trim awkward pauses with silence removal. Select your clip, click the sparkle-shaped AI Suggestions button, and choose Auto Cut or Silence Removal. Pick your language, then click Transcribe. The AI will highlight silent gaps. Review and click Remove for individual cuts or remove all to delete them all. Your video will now flow smoothly. Make videos accessible with auto captions. Select your clip, click the CC button, and choose the spoken language. Hit Generate Subtitles. The AI transcribes audio in seconds. Edit errors, then customize fonts, colors, and size. Bonus: download a free transcript for repurposing content. Clean up audio with noise suppression. Select your clip, go to the Audio tab, and toggle on Noise Removal. The AI erases background sounds like wind or traffic, leaving crisp voiceovers. Adjust volume for balance. Remove image backgrounds instantly. Upload a PNG/JPEG, drag it to the timeline, and select Background Remover under Effects. The AI erases the background. Resize or layer your subject over new colors or images for creative flair. Remember, pick the right aspect ratio for your platform. Use templates for faster edits. Explore stock media in Clipchamp's library. Try keyboard shortcuts for speed. Keep recordings under 10 minutes for best performance. Detach audio for separate editing. Experiment with speed adjustments and fade effects for polish. And that's it. With Clipchamp's AI, you can create, edit, and perfect videos like a pro. No expertise needed. Ready to start? Open Clipchamp today and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Happy editing!